All right, so we are back. We just watched the P1T1 video from our folder with the rest of the materials for today's class. I will give you correct answers, but first, this is how I took notes, right? This is how it looks like. A little bit of doodling here, because I have to do this. This is my sickness. Yeah, but as you're going to see, I put everything I could, everything that I heard that I thought was important. So I wrote everything. To me, most important things here were Tim was the stylist, color, changing color, longer appointment, 1:30. It's going to be done by 3:30. That's what she asked. If he can do it by 3:30, it will take 1 hour. Tomorrow, I don't know what tomorrow means here. Just trim, just a little trim, gray, dark brown. She wanted to keep the same style. The guy wanted to give her a haircut, but after that she changed her mind. She's cautious. Whether to change hairstyle, did good job, natural, comfortable. Now she got comfortable with him. I remember next time, new hairstyle, natural shampoo. Yeah, he wanted to sell her some, like natural shampoo products. She was like, no, you don't have to. Stick with the regular. She wants to stick with the regular shampoo. Impressed. She was impressed. Protect the color. She now wants more, and now she wants to change her hair, like she's going to come soon. Something like that. Well, maybe most of those are not important. We will see because first question. So the first question, the answer was to change her hair color. Now, if you're not sure what we're talking about, the questions were not like A, B, C, D, E or A, B, C, D. You're going to find like the correct one. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, you can always go back to, rewind the video. It's pretty easy. It's really easy to navigate. So you will find that question one answer is to change her hair color. Answer to question two, her visit will take full hour. Yes. Listening to a problem solving. Question three, 1:30 p.m. She's cautious. Question five, which shade of color to use? Question six, impressed. Question seven, protect the color with a special product. Question eight, she now has more confidence in his abilities. All right. So now, that was it. I hope this wasn't so hard. It's not supposed to be hard. The first parts are usually very, very easy. The listening to a problem solving should be fairly simple for you at this point, and most students make maybe one or two mistakes for first time they do it. You should be fine at this point. All right. Now, before we play P2, P3, T1 video, let's introduce ourselves to task 2 and task 3 of listening test. So task 2 is listening to a conversation. This is similar to part 1, but there's only one conversation. It usually is a discussion between two people. The recording for this task is 2 minutes long, and there are 5 questions. These will be spoken, not written. You need to choose the best answer to each question in 30 seconds. You could immediately get an idea of the topic. Often it is said in the early parts of the conversation. Yeah. So from the beginning, you are going to have a pretty good idea of what they are talking about. Part 3, task 3 of the listening test, listening for information. This part of the Celpip test, listening test, is an interview with an expert on certain subject or field. The recording is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. After that, you need to answer 6 questions. The expert, not the interviewer, will be doing most of the talking during the recording. Why am I telling you this? So that you would know which person to focus on more. You will find most of the answers in the responses of the expert. Okay, that was it. Now, I suggest we go and we take a look at P2, P3, T1. Take as much time as you need because you can watch it over and over again. The point is for you to get familiar with this listening test. So we will be back soon with the answers for part 2 and part 3, and I will show you my notes again. So be right back.